Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this puzzle page of Saturday. Saturday, December the 2nd, 2023. I've already solved one puzzle. So three puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, one of these binaries. And the Killer Sudoku. Yes, it's time for the Killer Sudoku. Killer Sudoku number. I need some lights here. Oh. Number 7549. And we have here two given numbers. Given number 8 in this triple box of 12. That means that those two boxes together should be a 4. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. We have a given number 5 in this triple box of 17. That means that those two boxes together should be 12. 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. Alright, for Killer Sudoku I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, it will be a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. My first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looking for a big square with one sharing box. This one has one sharing box. This one has one sharing box. This one is complete. If you count all these numbers, the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. The total sum of a row is 45. This one is also completed. This row. If you count all these numbers, always 45. Alright. This one has one sharing box. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1. This one is complete. This one has 1 sharing box. Also, this one is also 1. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So double 8 is 16. Double 13 is 26. 26 plus 16 is 42. 42. So 45 minus 42 is a 3. In the box of 9, the combination here will be 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. This is complete. Okay, let's go to this one. This big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 11 plus 9 is 20. 6 plus 13 is 19. So 19 plus 20 is 39. 39. So 45 minus 39 is a 6. This box should be a 6. In the box of 8, the combination will be 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. This one, we need 1. This one has one sharing box now. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 12 is 20. 20 plus 17 is 37. So 45 minus 37 is an 8. This box should be an 8. In a box of 10, the combination will be 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Alright. Let's go to this big square with one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Double 11 is 22. 22 plus 8 is 30. 30 plus 9 is 39. So 45 minus 39 is a 6. In a box of 10, the combination will be 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Okay. Now all the boxes are completed. My next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. Let me scan for the puzzle. 13, 8, 13, 8, 6, 12, 10, 11, triple 17, triple 11, 12, 12, 10, 14, 7, 6, triple 17. Let me blow my nose first. Well, it's cold here. It's cold. Okay. Yeah. 11, 6, 39. The box of 4. There's only one combination for the box of 4. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Triple 13, triple 20. Box of 17. Only one combination. 8 plus 9, 8 plus 9. Box of 3. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Alright. Now, we have in this big square 2 boxes. Box of 12 and a box of 9. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 should be in the box of 9. Combination 6 and a 3. 6 and a 3. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 and 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 7 and 5. 7 and 5. Okay. Yeah. Alright. So 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 2 and a 9. 2 and a 9. Okay, and now in this big square, my next strategy is to look for boxes with 2 combinations. 2 combinations. In this big square, we have the box of 6. There are 2 combinations for the box of 6. 1 plus 5 and 2 plus 4. Double 3 is not allowed. So, but the 2 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 2 and the 4 here, so it should be 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. I cannot place the 6 in the box of 12, otherwise I need another 6. Double 6 is not allowed. So the 6 should be in one of these 3 boxes. We have 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column, so no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in this row, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 place level 6 goes in the box of 7. Combination 6 and 1, 6 and 1. Alright, and now in this column, we have the box of 6. The 2 combination for the box of 6. As you remember, the 5 and a 1 and a 2 and a 4. Well, the 2 is already used in this column, so no 2 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 and the 1 should be here. 1 and a 5. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so this box can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 7. That box should be a 5. Alright, and now I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 6. We already have a 6 there, so this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. So now in this triple box of 17, that means that those 2 boxes together should be 11. 11 plus 6 is equal to 17. Alright. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. I cannot place the 3 in the box of 11, otherwise the combination will be 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8. The 8 is already used in this big square. So the 3 should be in the box of 12, combination 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 3 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright, and now. Need 2 here. Need 3 here. Well, 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 place level 3 should be here or there. Well, I cannot place the 3 in the box of 6, otherwise I need another 3. Double 3 is not allowed, so the only place level 3 should be there. In the box of 11, combination will be 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Eight in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 goes in the box of 13. Combination 8 and the 7. No. 8 and the 5 are missing here. 8 and the 5. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Alright, and now 5. 5 could be here, 5, no. We have, in this big square, 3 boxes, box of 6, box of 13, box of 9. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. I cannot place the 5 in the box of 13, otherwise the combination will be 5 plus 8, 5 plus 8. We already have an 8 in this big square, so cannot place it there. So the 5 should be in the box of 6. Combination 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Okay, one of the missing number in this big square is number 2. I cannot place the 2 in the box of 13, otherwise the combination will be 2 plus 11. 11 is not allowed. The highest number I can use is number 9. Should be in the box of 9, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 4 and the 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 4 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. 13 plus 7 is equal to 20. So now we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, 5 is missing. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. The 5 should be here. 5 and the 6 is missing. So the 6 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. 6 and the 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Okay. Well. Well. Let me think. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. I cannot place the 2 in the box of 12, otherwise the combination will be 2 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is the number 9. So it should be here, the 2. In the box of 11, the combination will be 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. So now we have the box of 12 and the box of 8 in the third row. One of the missing number is a 1. Cannot place the 1 in the box of 12. Should be in the box of 8. Combination 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those. 4 and 8. Alright. We have now 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 6 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 goes in the box of 8, combination 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. Alright. Okay, and now 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2. No. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have a 7 in this column, middle column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 should be in a box of 10. Combination 7 and a 3, 7 and a 3. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Yeah, there are 2 combinations. So in this big square we have the box of 14, box of 10, box of 12. There are 2 combinations for the box of 14. 6 plus 8 and 9 plus 5. Well, the 6 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 6 and the 8 there. Should be a 9 and a 5, 9 and 5. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. I cannot place the 8 in the box of 10, otherwise the combination will be 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We already have a 2 here in this big square. So can I place the 2 and 8 there? The 8 should be in the box of 12. Combination 8 and a 4. 8 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in the middle row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. Okay. And now 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 5 goes in the box of 9, combination 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 9, we have a 4 in the last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 8 and a 9, we have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then. We have 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. I cannot place the 8 in the box of 8, of course, otherwise the combination will be 8 plus 0. 0 is not allowed. Lowest number I can use is the number 1. So the 8 should be here. In the box of 11, the combination will be 8 plus 3. So now we have 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Well, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 6 and a 1, we have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 and a 1, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 6 and a 2, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 and a 3, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then 4 and an 8, we have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column, 4 numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. Let me mark those. Here also 2 missing numbers in this. Oh, wait. We have also here 2 and a 9. So, 8, 3. We have a 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left with 3. Could be here, could be there. Well. And we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 6 could be here, could be there. Well, in this triple box of 17, we have the 1 and the 7. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 and a 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing, 2 and a 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 2 and a 3, okay. Here we have a 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 in this first row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. We have a 7 and a 3. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 8 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 8 goes there. 4 and a 8. We have an 8 in the first row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 9, we have a 4 in the first row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Well. Yeah. I'm pleased with the time because I thought maybe I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, it's faster than 20 minutes, so let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.